जब भी आप किसी को अट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, इन सब क्वेश्चंस का जवाब जानना आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि जो भी आपको रिस्पॉन्सेज इनसे मिल रहे हैं, जस्ट नो दैट इफ यू डोंट फिक्स दीज, this is exactly the kind of person that you're going to end up attracting. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishpreet. I am a mindset and manifestation coach. और आज मैं actually वीडियो बनाने बैठी थी about how to attract the perfect relationship and how to attract the perfect person of your dreams and all that. But I realized that before I make this video, that video is not going to make sense. क्या होता है कि जब when we talk about having this perfect relationship, जब हम सोचते हैं कि मुझे इस टाइप का इंसान चाहिए, I want to spend my life with someone like this and ये उसी क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए, this is what I'm looking for, this is what I want. जब भी आप ये सब चीज़ें सोचते हो कि आपको किसी में क्या चाहिए, उसके पहले सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो बनता है वो ये होता है कि what is the relationship you have with yourself? Are the qualities that you're searching for in someone else, are those qualities already in you? अगर आप किसी को ढूंढ रहे हो जो कि if you want someone to be like very confident and who can take care of you, let's say, who can support you, who can be there for you, the questions that you need to ask yourself is, how confident of a person are you? How are you able to support yourself? How are you being able to be there for yourself? बेसिकली आप जो भी क्वेश्चंस किसी और के लिए पूछ रहे हो जो कि आपको उसमें चाहिए, आस्क दोस क्वेश्चंस टू योरसेल्फ. टिल द टाइम दैट यू डोंट फिक्स द रिलेशनशिप दैट यू हैव विद योरसेल्फ, you are only gonna attract a person who is a mirror reflection of the person that you are. Alright? So मैं इसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझाती हूँ अभी. I want you to ask yourself the following questions. जब आप खुद को कांच में देखते हैं, what are the things that come out of your mouth? जब आपको कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है, what are the responses that come out of your mouth? जब आप कोई गलती कर देते हैं, when you make a mistake or even if you make a blunder, let's say, what is the way that you treat yourself? नाउ ये सारे रिस्पॉन्सेज आपको ये समझाने में हेल्प करेंगे कि हाउ डू यू रियली सी योर सेल्फ, वॉट इज द रिलेशनशिप दैट यू हैव विद योर सेल्फ. क्योंकि अगर आपके रिस्पॉन्सेज टू द क्वेश्चन कि आप जैसे खुद को कांच में देखकर क्या बोलते हैं, if you're the kind of person जो कि सिर्फ that you're trying to like find faults in you, are you treating yourself with kindness? Are you treating yourself with just absolute brutal cruel criticism? Okay? जब आपसे कुछ गलती हो जाती है तब आप क्या बोलते हो कि यार मैं बेवकूफ़ हूँ, सच में मैं कितनी बड़ी पागल हूँ, मैं ऐसी करती हूँ हमेशा, पता नहीं मेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है. और you tell yourself that it's all right, it's okay, I mean everyone makes mistakes, what can I learn from this, how do I learn from this, I may not be good at this but at least I'm good at this and this. So इन क्वेश्चन से आपको ये समझ में आएगा that what is your language towards your own self. Now जब भी आप किसी को अट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, ओके, फॉर लेट्स से रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप, इन सब क्वेश्चंस का जवाब जानना आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि जो भी आपको रिस्पॉन्सेज इनसे मिल रहे हैं, जस्ट नो दैट इफ यू डोंट फिक्स दीज, this is exactly the kind of person that you're going to end up attracting. Everyone that you attract in your life is a mirror reflection of the qualities that you have, of the beliefs that you have. If you are not secure within your own self, अगर आप में बहुत सारी insecurities हैं, अगर आप अपने आप को accept ही नहीं कर पाते हो, just like the way that you aren't able to accept your body, you're not able to accept your individuality, you're not able to accept the person that you are, you will always end up attracting a person who is equally insecure, who is equally underconfident, who is equally problematic in all of these ways. And just imagine what happens when such two people come together. It's gonna blow up. It's gonna blow up because आप insecure होगे, वो insecure होगा इंसान, and when you merge these insecurities, it's gonna create a chaos. So before you even seek for someone, before you even go ahead and try and attract someone, okay, ask yourself if the relationship you have with yourself ready for you to attract someone right now at the moment. And if not, then start working towards it. And how can you start working towards it? By taking one step at a time, by making efforts towards being kinder to yourself every single day, by changing your beliefs. Now beliefs is a very very crucial element here, क्योंकि let's say that I give you the tools and techniques in which you can attract someone, ठीक है, but deep within you kind of have that belief that you can never attract a person who is so and so, okay, whatever this person looks like in your mind, कि ये type का इंसान है जो कि मैं कभी attract नहीं कर सकती. I don't deserve that. Come on, like I'm not pretty enough, or I'm not even talented enough. I just don't deserve it. I know that. अगर आपका ये belief है तो आप कुछ भी कर लो, you will never attract that kind of person. You will always end up attracting the wrong people in your life, okay? So यहाँ पर सबसे important जो चीज़ आती है, that is to look into your belief system. What is your belief system? What do you believe about yourself? कौन आपके बारे में क्या सोचता है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हो, that is everything. Identify what are these beliefs. What can you do right now to actually work towards it? You can look like whatever, you can be whatever, but if your beliefs aren't right, if your self-talk is not right, you will keep on attracting the wrong people into your life. This is the reason why I thought कि ये वाला video, it's very important to make this one before I even go ahead and make one about how do you attract the relationship that you want. Fix your relationship with yourself first before you go ahead and attract anyone into your life. I repeat once again, the person that you are, the beliefs that you have, the qualities that you have is the exact same kind of person that you will attract over and over again. So you cannot be a person who is insecure, who is not body positive, who just like feels like he sucks, he doesn't deserve anything, and then aim towards attracting someone who's the complete opposite of that. That will never happen. Your vibration is low, you will attract someone on the same vibration. Your vibration is high, you will attract someone on the same vibration. It is as simple as that. So use this video and tell me in the comments below, what are you doing today to improve and fix this relationship with yourself? What are the steps that you can take? And watch out for my next video, because in the next video, once you're through this, once you've started working on this, that's when you need to watch that video where I'm going to give you the tools and techniques on how do you attract the perfect relationship of your dreams, the kind of person that you want, and what you need to do, and all that stuff. That is about it for this video. I hope you liked it. Leave a like, drop a comment, share it with someone that you feel would need it, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Check out the links in my description if you want to book a one-on-one session with me, if you want to check out my 21 days challenge, and if you want to join our Facebook community that's growing every single day, where we come together, we talk about manifestation, we talk about the law of attraction, and basically come together as a community and manifest stuff. So that is it for today's video. I'm going to see you in my next one.